we are here to educate you. Are you ready?
Disclaimer, this video is not telling you to stop having sex, but to educate you on how to protect and prevent any unwanted accidents.
Because let's be honest, sex feels good. I mean, it has to, right? Or people won't be doing it.
This video is gonna cover a few topics which are
Myths about getting pregnant, preventive measures, and the pull-out method.
you can't get pregnant during your period time. I mean, it sounds correct, right? During your period time, you are preparing to release an ovum. If I ejaculate inside at that time, we will be safe, right?
Well, not entirely wrong, but there is still a chance for you getting pregnant. If we're talking about this, then we'll have to talk about the menstrual cycle. But what is a menstrual cycle and how does it work?
For those who are taking biology, they may know, but many people, including me, really don't understand about it. Menstrual cycle is important for those women who want to have a baby because it tells us which period is suitable for having a baby.
Well, a menstrual cycle is basically a woman's first blood to the day before their next blood. For a normal girl, they usually have 28 days. Their most fertile days are on the 11th to 16th day.
Okay, now it's talk about the boys. Normal sperm live out 3 to 5 days, and some might even 7 days. So, how does these two relate?
For those who have shorter periods or longer periods, you have more chance of getting pregnant if you have sex during that time. For example, the short days like 21 days could just like ovulate a few days right after your period. So your most fertile days will be like on your 5th, 6th, and 7th day. And for girls that have longer periods, either you are not ovulating correctly, so it makes contraceptive really difficult.
Preventive measure. Can you guess?
Well, there are a lot of preventive measures, but the most common talked about are condom for boys and birth control pills for girls.
Easy to put on the condom, but some boys say that it's so 麻烦啦. They are so expensive, I don't want to spend money on that. Hey guys, you want to spend money on having baby or buying a condom? You choose lah, huh?
And girls, you need to be persistent. You gotta be like, okay, we can have sex, but you need to put on a condom. And if he says something like, oh, I don't know how to wear it, then you have to be the one that knows how to wear a condom. So that does not give him any excuses.
But alright, some girls feel that taking a condom is not safe. But you can choose to take birth control pills. If you want to take that, you must eat it every day, no skipping. If you skip 1 day, you still have chance to having a baby. But no worry, taking BCP, you still have chance to get pregnant in your future. Some women say that actually it helped them to get pregnant easier.
Wow. Well, if you actually did miss a dose, don't worry, because it actually depends on the product. So don't just eat everything all at once if you miss any of those doses. And you can get any pharmacy in Malaysia. Don't worry, you don't need a doctor's note, and the pharmacist will teach you how to use it. So be sure to ask a lot of questions.
Wow, it sounds useful. But BCP has some side effects like feeling sick, headache, weight gain, mood change, and breast tenderness. So it might not suitable for some girls. Oh, and BCP do not prevent you from any sexual transmitted disease. In that case, you guys will just stick with a condom. And lastly, the pull-out method. Truth, the pull-out method can be an effective form of birth control if you done properly. Also truth, majority people do not do it properly. The first mistake is not properly handling the pre-cum. Pre-cum help the sperm to survive, and it also make it easy for the semen to go through. For most people, pre-cum does not contain any sperms. What can happen though the pre-cum can pick up sperm that already there from previous ejaculation. So the easy solution to this, though not foolproof, is to pee before sex.
The second real downfall is the reason why so many people get pregnant, which is the timing. Many people will be like, you know what, it's okay, don't worry, I'll pull it out. But you know, when it comes to that time of orgasm, you're just like, ugh. Accidents are really common. You need to have a lot of practice, you need to understand your body well, and you need to have a lot of self-control to properly execute the pull-out method.
The third mistake is still manage to ejaculate near the vagina even though you have pull out. Somewhere around the vulva outside part, you still can get pregnant on this way. The sperm like oops and still in a mission and they will find their way. Not so good candidate for the pull-out method are those who are less experienced sexually, maybe like sexually active for a few years, new couples, and couples that haven't been tested together. Also anyone who use "don't worry, I will pull out" as an excuse to not wear a condom.
In the event that an accident did actually happen, emergency contraceptive pills are a good backup. Take them as soon as possible.
Though sometimes it's not all the guy's fault. Girls, you should know that what can or cannot do to prevent unwanted pregnancy. So, educate yourself. Don't just blindly follow or listen. Don't fall for "if you love me, you will do with me" saying. You should never be pressured into sex, and you should never feel guilty for not doing it with your boyfriend.
I know a lot of girls are easily persuaded, especially if it's their boyfriends or someone they really like. But that's where you need to stand firm and not take any crap from them. If he's not willing to respect your body or your decision, maybe he's just not the right one.
And not just listen to their friends and society, you have to. Just remember, it is always a choice and you need to know what the best for your body. But if you both want to do it, make sure that you guys know what you guys are doing.
And I know in Asian context, girls are supposed to be shy and reserved, but you don't have to be afraid to voice out what you want or prefer, especially in intercourse, because it's a both-way thing. And also, being educated in sex does not mean you're perverted, okay? We as university students are trained to do research, so do yours well. And don't believe in everything you see in porn.
If you are both ready to have kids, then hey, why not? But if you are not, then let's stick to the safe way.
Well, that's all from us. Bye!